In today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare one of the most cherished delicacies in Nigeria, Abacha, the famous African salad, mostly prepared by the Igbos. Abacha is made from shredded dried cassava and is usually enjoyed with smoked. Before we dive into the video proper, please, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Diana and this is my kitchen my ways. Please do well to subscribe, to share and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified when next I post another interesting video like this. Now grab your apron and let's go make some. So in a clean bowl I go in with my abacha and I now poured hot water enough to cover and soak the abacha like so. I set it aside and in another clean bowl I go in with some potash water. Beat the two together until it becomes pale yellow like this. This is to help the palm oil stick to the abacha. After which I go with my washed abacha. I've washed it, remove all the sands and every dirt in it, strain, then pour into the palm oil like so. I then added some roughly red pepper and onion mix. Some seasoning cubes. So some salt to taste. Powder, garden egg leaf, like so. Went in with some garden egg, like so. Just slice the garden egg into smaller chunks and mix them thoroughly. Make sure the palm oil marries the abacha very well like so. Be sure to mix it very well until well combined. Like this, give it a thorough. I don't know how many of you eat your abacha lettuce. There we have this. If you use lettuce to abacha, comment in the comment section. And there have it. Our abacha is ready. Have it with fried or smoked fish. I prefer to have mine with fried fish. So tell me, would you consider trying it or not? Make abacha. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon and I will see you in my next video. Bye.